Introducing how to use the kitchen display system with Payflex terminal. Here you can see when I first log into the system, I can access my kitchen display or my Expo display. I'll talk a little bit more on Expo in just a moment, but for now, let's go ahead and jump into my kitchen display. Here you can see I've got 3 tickets open, 105, 104, and 103. You'll also notice that these tickets have different colors. This indicates the age of the ticket, and these colors can be customized as well. These 2 tickets are fairly new, whereas this one, which is dark green, means that it's old. You can also see them, this one is a little bit more advanced. Here you can see them doing coursing. Also, if a note were to be added to the ticket, you can see how it's highlighted here. As I scroll down, you can see the courses as well as the modifiers. Also from this screen, you can see the employee that's associated with the order, the date and time in which the order was put in, the number of course, and then if there's a name that's associated with the order. For instance, Dana is getting carry out, whereas John here is going to be getting delivery. Now what if I want to bump some of these tickets off of the screen? Well, first off, if I would like, I can bump items just by tapping on them. For example, let's say I'm all done making these 2 burgers, I can tap on an item and hit done. There you can see it's scratched off that name, and now I can do it to this one as well. Alright, now you can see here that this ticket is still open if I want it for reference, and then you can also see the tickets have changed colors based on age. Now if I want, I can just double tap up here and that'll get rid of the ticket entirely. Alternatively, I can tap on multiple items at once and then hit the done button to strike a line through them. Now that I'm done with the ticket, I'll go ahead and double tap on the header here to get rid of it. Now this ticket's pretty large and pretty long, and maybe I don't need to go through and tap each item one at a time. Maybe I just want to bump the whole check. To do so, I just double tap here and now it's all gone. But let's say there was a mistake or an accident and I need to go and pull up one of those tickets. Well, I've got an option. If I tap up here, it causes a bar to drop down and I can click on this button here that says Recall. By going into Recall, I can access any of my older tickets. So for here, I'll double tap the header here, hit Done, and now you can see that ticket has returned. Another thing of note is, if enabled, you can also bump tickets to your Expo screen. For example, if I click from Kitchen to Expo, you can see that all these orders were bumped over to the Expo screen. This is an option if you have someone working in an Expo line and a person's managing several trays of plates. Like I said, this is an optional feature, but on their side, they would see all the open tickets as well as all their Expo tickets. From here, once they were ready to send out, a server could deliver a ticket and then once again I could double tap that ticket to make it go away. And that is how to use the kitchen display system with Payflex terminal.